Another aspect of Google Drive I highly recommend is downloading the Google Drive desktop. This comes in handy as a backup tool for your MacBook or Windows device. This is just helpful to make sure if your computer crashes, you still have your items. You can access it on a different computer. Comes in handy for when you're wanting to work like in your File Explorer view. You can easily access it without going to Google Drive. The way you would do this is you can click on the little pop-up at the bottom left. There's a download button, or you can go to settings, get Google Drive for desktop, and then it'll take you to the website to download. If you're in a Windows environment, you'll see in your taskbar in the area, you have what's called Google Drive icon, and once you click on there, you get to select the folders. You sign in first of all, and you select the folders you want to back up, like your pictures, documents, desktop. I use this a lot for my downloads area because I download and I constantly need it, and I clean it up after a while. But and also syncs back with your Google Drive, and it deletes once you delete from your main computer. This is helpful when you're like kind of remote working. You'll be able to access your computers from work. Maybe you're working from home. You'll go to your Google Drive, and underneath your shared drives, you'll see a computers tab open. And so basically, these are all the computers, even my MacBook. I have access to Google Drive backup, and so I can access files, folders, anything that was on there and it's backed up. I can access here and download it here and continue working. And I like this because I tend to have a lot of computers, as you can see. I need to be able to keep working between the computers, but I'm in a different location sometimes, so this is very helpful for me to access the content that I might have I had on a different device.